Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the ultimate Sitz Bath Seat, designed for postpartum care and hemorrhoid relief, offering a comfortable and therapeutic bathing experience. This innovative product features a raised design for comfortable seating and a large capacity for easy cleaning, making it perfect for pregnant women, new mothers, and those suffering from hemorrhoids. Crafted from non-irritating, durable plastic, this maternity bidet is built to withstand wear and tear, ensuring long-term use. Its foldable design and hanging hole make it incredibly portable and easy to store, taking up minimal space in your bathroom. The anti-slip foot pads and sturdy structural design provide stability and safety during use, while the sealed drain outlet ensures a leak-proof experience. Plus, its versatility extends beyond postpartum care, as it can also be used for foot soaks and even laundry, offering convenience in every use. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, durability, and practicality with this exceptional Sitz Bath Seat. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.